Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. Today, we're going to start a new topic, topic 3. In this topic, we're going to learn a lot about adding strategy to make 20. So we can use a 10 frames, we can use an open line number. We're going to use also adding in any order. We're going to use also doubles, double plus, and lots of fun classes and lessons. Let's start. Please open your book, page 109.
Abby has 5 cubes. Selena gives her 7 more cubes. How many cubes does Abby have now? Show your thinking.
As we can tell, this is an addition. Abby has 5 cubes. Selena gives her more, 7 more. So we need to do an addition. And this is what we have, open number line.
How do you use a number line to solve a problem? Let's find out. The number line shows numbers from 0 to 20. The numbers are in order and equally spaced along the number line. Solve 7 plus 8 equals using a number line. Find 7 on the number line. Then count on 8 more to add 7 plus 8.
So this is 7. We're going to count 8 more steps because it's my second addend is 8. So my equation 7 plus 8. I'm going to start from 7 and I'm going to add on or count 8 more steps.
Start at 7 and make 8 jumps. You land on 15. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Why did you start at 7? Why did you count on 8 more?
Because 7 is my first addend. So that's what I'm going to start with 7. And I added 8 more because that's my second addend.
You start at 7 because that is one of the numbers you are adding. You count on 8 more spaces because 8 is the number that you are adding to 7. How does the number line show how to add 8 plus 7? Explain.
Here we said we counting on. I started from 8 and I started from 7 and I counted 8 steps or 8 jumps.
You start at 8 and then count on 7 hops to get to 15.
So 8 plus 7 equals 15 too.
Now you know how to use a number line to count on and find a sum.
As you see, if you put my 2 parts that I need to add in, or the 2 addend in a different order, your sum will remain the same, will still be the same. So if I start from 7 and I added 8 jumps, I landed on 15. And if I started from 8 and I added 7 jumps or 7 steps, I'm still going to land on 15. So even if you put them in different orders, your addends, your sum or your total will remain the same.
How do you know where to start counting on? How do you know how many to count on?
All right, so you look at your 2 addend in your equation, the 2 parts that you need to add in, and you start from one number and add the next, add how many jumps you have to do for the next number. All right, let's do these examples together. Use a number line to count on, write each sum. Remember, when we add any addends together, that total or the answer, it's called the sum. So the sum, it's that number that you have it or you get it when you add the addends together or your parts together. So we have here 9 plus 7, and this is my number line. So I'm going to start with 9 because that's one part that I need to add in my equation, and I'm going to go for 7 steps or 7 jumps, and I'm going to see where I'm going to land. Start from 9. I need to add 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and landed on 16. So 9 plus 7 equals 16. Let's do number 2, 9 plus 9. I know some of you know the doubles and you know the answer right away. That's fine. But because today we're using number lines, so let's practice and use it. I have one part of my equation, 9, so I'm going to stop at 9. So I'm going to start from 9, and then I'm going to jump 9 jumps or 9 steps. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I landed on 18. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. It's easy. Over here, all what you need to do, just draw your number line, and you can start from 7 or start from 5. You mark like here. So you can do your number line from 0 till 20, or you can start from 1 or from 5 till 15. It depends on the numbers you have. All right. So that was today's lesson, how to add till 20 using the strategy. And today's lesson was using a number line. All right. That's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are on topic 3, lesson 2. So please open your book and let's start. Page 113.
Arnie runs 6 miles on Thursday. He runs 5 more miles on Friday. How many miles did Arnie run in all? Use the number line to show how you know.
Remember, in this topic, we're learning about adding using a number line or open number line. That's what we're going to learn now. So we're going to count on and add using that number line. That's easy. We know that you're going to put your equation 6 plus 5. Then you're going to use your number line and put your numbers. So I have Arnie runs 6 miles on Thursday. He runs 5 more. So I know that this is an addition equation that he ran more yesterday. So I need to add to find out how many miles did he run in all. So we're going to start. You can mark it from 1. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so let me write the numbers down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like I'm drawing a ruler. All right, 6 plus 5. So I'm gonna, let's use different color. I'm gonna come in 6. And I do a mark for myself. And I know that the second addend or the second part in my equation that I need to add is 5. That means I need to jump 5 jumps or 5 steps. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Landed on 11. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. This is what we learned in the previous lesson. Today, we're going to learn how we can do a bigger jump, how we can break apart and make something more different and fun. Let's go.
This is an open number line. It is called that because it doesn't have any numbers marked on it. An open number line can help you add. Let's take a look. How can you find 7 plus 6 equals with an open number line? Start by placing 7 on the number line. Why do you place 7 on the number line?
Because that's one of my add-ins. So start with 7. As we know, open number line is just blank line, and you can start from any number. You can start from 7, or if you're number 5, you can also go jump, not just one number. You can like skip a number. So you can start 5, 10, 15, 20. So you're taking a bigger jump or a bigger step.
7 is placed on the number line because it is one of the add-ins in 7 plus 6 equals. What do you do next? Counting on by 1 is one way to add 6 more. Start at 7, then count on 6 more. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. You can also break apart the 6. Adding 3 and 3 is one way to add 6 more. 7 plus 3 equals 13.
I get the same sum no matter how I add.
How is this number line different from the previous one?
As you see, the previous one was going one number, just going adding by 1. So 8, after 7, you go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're going one number, not skipping, going jumping back by one number. But over here, when we break apart that second addend or the second part that you need to add it, I like exactly skip number by 3. So I'm skip counting by 3. So 3 and 3. And why I went 3 by 3? Because I know it's 6. 6 double 3. So I know also 3 plus 3 equals 6. You can go jump by 5 if you like, or by 2. That's why we call it an open number line, because you choose how you want to skip number. Do you want to just skip by 1 like the regular number line, or do you want to have fun and skip by bigger jump and just have less to draw in your line?
Only the numbers 7, 10, and 13 have been placed on this number line. Why does this number line show that you start at 7, add 3, and then add 3 again? You are adding 7 plus 6, so you start at 7. 6 is broken apart into 3 and 3. So you add one part of 6, and then you add the second part of 6. Do you get the same answer as you did by starting at 7 and counting on 6? Explain.
Yes, we get the same sum, the same answer, because all what I did, I just broke apart the second addend, the 6. I broke it to 3 plus 3, because 3 plus 3 equals 6. So if I say 7 plus 6, going step 1, 2, 6 times, or just have a big jump or a big step like 3, so they both are the same. I'm still adding 7 and 6.
Yes. First, you find that 7 plus 3 equals 10. And then you find that 10 plus 3 equals 13. You get 13 either way. Now you know how to use an open number line to help you add.
All right. Let's see the exercise we have here. Use the open number line to solve show your work. Remember, we said an open number line that you can just mark it the way you want. And in this strategy, you can break your second addend apart the way you like. You can break it if it's quite big, you can break like if it's 15 or it's 2-digit number, you can break it to 10 and small steps, or you can just break it the way you want. So 7 plus 5. I'm going to start my number line with 7 because that's the first addend or one of the addend that I have, plus 5. You can just again go like previous lesson, go small steps, 5 of them, because that's your second addend, or use something we learned today when you break the second addend apart. So I know it's 5 is 3 plus 2. So I'm going to make one jump 3, and then another jump will be 2. And when I look at my number line, 7 plus 3, that's 10. So that's my second number that I will put it. Then I'm going to add 2 more. That's mean 11, 12. When you look at it, it's 7 plus 5, and your answer will be the same, 12. If you want to go 7 and then the 5, you go small steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're still going to land on 12. All right. 6 plus 2. This is kind of easy. We can either go again, the previous one, 6 plus 2, or you can start with a small number. So we're going to start with a new lesson, the new strategy. So I'm going to start with 6, and that will be my 6. And since a small digit or small addend, so I can either jump one jump, which is skip by 2, like jumping 2, or I just go 7, 8. So I'm going to go for the simple one, 7, 8. So that's 7, and that's 8. So 6 plus 2, this means 1, 2. Or if I want to use a new jump or a big jump, I can say 6, and I jump right away to 2 steps, will land me to 8. Okay. All right, let's do one more exercise together, and then I'll leave you to have fun and practice the rest of the exercise you have. All right, page 115, 4 plus 7. All right, find each sum. Remember, sum means the total when you add together. Use the open number line. Show your work. This is the open number line, that it's open because I'm the one who's going to put the numbers or the and add the way I want. 4 plus 7. So I'm going to start with 4. I'm going to put my start point, and I'm starting here with 4. All right, plus 7. Again, you can go small steps 7 times or break the second addend. So I decided to break my second addend, 7. I know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. So I'm going to make big jump to 5, and then I'm going to add 2. All right, so I'm going to say 5 plus 2 equals 7. So I'm going to go like that. Big jump, 5. I know 4 plus 5 equals, very good, 9. Because my 7, I break it to 2, 5 and 2. Now I need to add 2 more. That's 10, 11. See, these are small steps. That's with a big jump, 10 and 11. And I here have 2 steps. So 4 plus 7, I broke my second addend to 5 plus 2. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. And then I add 2 more. So 10, 11. So 4 plus 7 equals 11. All right. All right. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity. Have fun and enjoy. That's it for today, first graders. Thank you.